Are you a person who is looking for some cool hacks in order to be consistent? Or do you want some cool hacks to improve your consistency? Hi, this is Nihar Nayak, the community manager, and I'm here today to help you out how to improve your consistency. Dear friends, today I'm going to give you some do's and some don'ts. Okay, so let me begin with don'ts. Number one, whenever you are trying to be consistent, don't expect your result in the beginning itself. Okay, we usually do that. One day we do the work, second day, third day we think that okay, I'm not getting any good result. Don't expect the result in the beginning itself. That's number one. Number two, don't take any breaks. You might feel that okay, I'm tired. Okay, so let me take rest for one day and then do it from tomorrow onwards. No, don't take any breaks. Okay, now number three, which you don't have to do, is don't make any excuses. And we usually do this. Because of this, because of that, because of my health, because of my family issues, because of some external forces, I'm not able to continue to do that. Those are all excuses. So there are three don'ts you have to give up, and in order to become the consistent person. Now let's talk about do's. What you have to do in order to be consistent. So first point is you have to know your target. You have to know your end goal. Okay, be aware of your end goal. And once you're aware of your end goal, you will be able to break that goal into small tasks or daily tasks. And second point is what you have to do is be focused. Okay, put your 100% focus on your daily tasks. And number three is tell yourself you have to do your daily task every day faithfully. Dear friends, there are three do's and three don'ts and 6 points that I have shared with you. If you follow these 6 points regularly, faithfully, I'm sure you will be consistent in your personal as well as your professional life. Dear friends, if you want to know more about this topic, or if you want to get some cool hacks, please subscribe our channel and please follow our Facebook, where you will get cool hacks like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.